I have the Tapo Mini Smart Wi-Fi plug, and this is the Tapo P100 variant or version. And today we'll be taking a look at what comes in the box. So this is the unboxing of this smart plug. And before we can do the unboxing, let's just take a quick look at what is on the box. So as you can see, it says upgrade your outlets. It offers voice control, sets schedules, and has a away mode. And this is basically a plug that enables you to control your devices remotely by turning them on or off, or even scheduling them. On this side, you have the specs. At the back here, you have even more specs and what it can do. Also, we have the package contents and also the compatibility instructions for this. Now, at the bottom here, we have the serial number and the product number, and all this you can scan. But let's get right into the unboxing. So make sure you have an unboxing tool. I'll use this, and be careful as you're unboxing. So make sure you dent that little packaging, that little film on the outside. Then just get out all this wrap, put that away, as you can see, and then simply open it like that. And then, just as the label says, you should see a quick start guide. And then we have the smart plug itself. This is it. And in the box, as you can see, there's nothing more. So that's basically it. And that's it for the unboxing of this Tapo P100 smart plug. There you go, it's been unboxed. Now I'll be making subsequent videos regarding this smart plug, how to connect it, how to set it up, and how to use it. But basically that's it for this unboxing. Take care and God bless.